This is like a real special moment. I might need a hug after this. Hey, I'm Robbie Melvin, Southern Living. We are here at Big Bob Gibson's Barbecue, world-renowned, 15 world championships, 5 Memphis in May championships with Chris Lilly, the pitmaster here. Now, Chris, you guys have been known for pork, brisket, ribs, but today we're talking all things smoked chicken and the legendary Alabama white sauce.
Well, this is where it all started, the original barbecue white sauce, Big Bob Gibson back in 1925 in Decatur, Alabama. It's the way we do it here.
Love it.
And I've got a pit full of chickens back there that need some help.
Hey, let's do it. I'm ready.
Let's do it.
All right, so we are back in the pit room here, legendary pit room, Big Bob Gibson's, the nerve center of the whole joint, really. And you know, the smells, the smoke, the heat, this is a lot of chicken.
It's where it all takes place.
Yeah.
You know, typically Big Bob Gibson's, we do about 70 whole split chickens at a time. We'll do 2 to 3 rotations per day to keep hot chicken coming off this pit for our customers.
Now I'm smelling, you know, just everything from the chicken, but you know, the wood is important here.
Really, back when Big Bob Gibson, he started in 1925, he had 2 choices. He had oak and hickory. Hickory's more prevalent.
Right.
It's cheaper. So he tended to build his flavor profiles and his style of cooking around hickory wood.
There's a lot more than just the wood and the temperature going on here. There's some seasoning aspects to this. What is the definitive chicken rub or seasoning?
I mean, look at all that complex seasoning. This is tough, but I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
All right, just today,
Okay.
all right? It's chicken, it's salt, it's a coarse ground black pepper, and it's white barbecue sauce. That's it.
Less is definitely more here. I mean, if you say that and all that comes through, and I can't imagine it with anything else. This is what I've been waiting on right here. This is the part where really, to me, it goes up many, many levels. Oh yeah.
Every chicken that comes off the Big Bob Gibson barbecue pit gets dipped in a vat of barbecue white sauce.
This is amazing. I mean, the first time I encountered white sauce as a 9-year-old boy in this restaurant, it changed, you know, my life in a lot of ways because I'd never tasted anything like it. And to be back here and see this happen, oh man, look at that. That is like the money right there.
I think maybe it's your turn.
Man, Chris, it would be a great honor to dip some Big Bob Gibson's chicken. Oh my gosh. I'd like to come back and get a job as just the chicken dunker. I mean, that would be a very fulfilling experience, you know.
Come on
day in, day out. I really can't wait any longer on this. I gotta eat some. Can you please take me there?
I think we can take care of it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, here you go, Robbie.
Man, Chris, after watching this, you know, over the pits and the wood and the smoke, I mean, seeing this come full circle is really something special to me. And I'll be honest, man, I can't wait. I gotta get in here. I gotta get in here.
We'll jump on in
So,
here,
man,
my friend.
oh, look at that. It comes right off the bone. Oh, perfect. Oh, man.
The white sauce is a vinegar-based sauce. He wanted that acidity, that spike. When you get it, you're tasting the smoke, you're tasting the vinegar and the barbecue. But the mayonnaise element keeps the chicken from drying out after that long process on the pit. We've got 5 generations here. Big Bob started it, and it's been passed down. This is still a family-run business here in Decatur.
Right.
So now my sons are both in the pit room,
Really?
doing your day-to-day, learning how to barbecue just like Big Bob Gibson did it back in 1925. Let me introduce you to my father-in-law, 3rd generation at Big Bob Gibson's, Mr. Don McLemore.
How are you?
Don, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm
My
Robbie.
pleasure
How
to
are
meet
you?
you.
Thanks for being here.
And
glad-
come on in,
glad to
guys.
be here.
My
All right.
2 sons.
Jacob, how you doing? I'm Robbie. Andrew, I'm Robbie Melvin. Nice to see you.
You're looking at 5th generation Big Bob Gibson barbecue right there.
I grew up coming here with family in Decatur, and that bite of chicken tastes exactly how it did when I was 8 years old coming in here. Now, the chicken Alabama white sauce is amazing, but just one of the many great things you guys do here. Now, I kind of want to sit down and try it all.
It's time to eat.
Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, Chris, I'm seeing a little bit of everything here. Tell me what we got here.
Well, this is a barbecue restaurant, so for us, it's barbecue staples without a doubt. We have our barbecue chicken with white sauce. We have our slow hickory smoked ribs. You know, our pork shoulder is probably just about as famous for us as our white barbecue chicken, and this is what we've won so many world championships with.
What brought you to this point? What brought you to the barbecue life?
Now, that's an interesting story. My wife did.
Let me interrupt you. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so good.
My wife's great-grandfather was Big Bob Gibson.
Oh wow.
And I met her in college. And I think my father-in-law just wanted his daughter back closer to home. So he offered me the job to come down here, learn the business, and help him out.
We're here in Decatur, Alabama. I mean, this is Alabama barbecue. I mean, what is Alabama barbecue?
Well, you know, in the past, I think a lot of journalists have made the mistake of trying to shoehorn barbecue into 4 specific regions.
Gotcha.
When there's so many gray areas, the vinegar sauces are definitely Alabama barbecue, but that's a swing from the Carolina region. We also have the dry rubs from Memphis. It's simplicity, it's purity, it's hickory wood, it's slow smoking, and we'll let the customers decide.
Now, Chris, I can't thank you enough for your time today and your expertise and your insight and all things Big Bob Gibson barbecue and Alabama barbecue. It's meant a lot to me being from here and having eaten here most of my life. But you know, we have a tradition on Bar-B-Q&A where we like for all of our pit masters to sign our board here. You probably know a lot of these characters on here. We got Pat Martin right there, but man, it would mean a lot if you would sign our board for us.
This is a board I would be proud to put my name on.
And thank you, Chris.
Do a little BBG.
That's it. Yes.
BBQ. There we go.
Fantastic. Chris, this means so much, and it's been an honor spending the day with you today and just eating your delicious food and talking about real barbecue, Big Bob Gibson barbecue.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, sir. Yes.